to get started, go to figma.com, log in, or you can also download the app. I just prefer the app personally. Once you've done that, you will have Figma. This is this screen. Go to make a new design file. All right, you can double click here to name it. I'm just gonna call it thumbnails because I like to use one file. And then you want to click the little square box here. Now you can make a frame. It doesn't really matter how large it is, but you can obviously make it like 1080p or whatever. I'm just gonna do this to make sure it stays a certain size. Now, once you know what you want, you can just go and browse the internet for images. So I'm just gonna look up like Apex. And then you can paste images externally. So I just copied this from Google and drag it around. And here we go. I already have like the image. And then there's a text tool here. And it works how you'd expect any text tool. So Apex, sniper, gameplay, footage. On the right side here, you can adjust anything about the font that you would normally expect to change. You can change the size. You can make it centered. You change like what font it is. And then you can also add things like strokes and drop shadows. Let me just make this a bit bigger. So there we go. And then I'm also going to just add another stroke. You can click your layers on the left here. So I have my image layer. I'm going to add a stroke to the outline of the video because that's just something I like to do. So I like to add a little border here. And this, it's not like a great looking thumbnail, but this is, pretty much what you would expect. And once you are ready to export it to YouTube, all you have to do is select your frame layer that you made initially. And then on the right side here is export. Click the plus, and you can select the size it's going to be. And then you can click export frame. This will prompt you to save it somewhere. Just save it wherever you want. Now on YouTube, you can just go to your video information and then click to upload your image. And there it is. So like I was saying before, you can also just make multiple frames. So here's an example I have. You can middle click to drag around, control scroll to zoom in. So you'll see I just have like some examples here that I've made to like break this down. It's just some images from Google that I've pasted over, made like some nice text. So then whenever I'm ready, I can just go here and export as I showed you before. And you can just copy your frames over. So you can alt drag to copy. Now I have a second frame that I can quickly edit whenever I want to. And yeah, that's all you need to make thumbnails.